Hi everyone, I decided to make this video to show people that there are actually products on the Learnoflix platform that you can begin to promote. Alright, I've been hearing people say that there are no products to promote. There are so many of them that you can promote to begin to get commission, get paid when you make sales. Alright, so this is my dashboard. So I'll go ahead and click on the menu button right at the top hand side. Click on it, then you see here we have dashboard, you see referrals, you see wallets, see classroom, you see marketplace. But where we are going to click on is the marketplace. All right, so that's where we get to see the products that are available for sales. So we click on the marketplace, and we have different categories that you can choose. So when you get to any of these categories, there are products that you can promote. But right now, as at the time of recording of this video, the sales and marketing, the products there in this category are not available for promotion now. Okay, they are not available yet. But when you go to money, the money category, digital product category, the photography and cinematography category, the graphics design category, and the personal development category, there are different products there to promote. So let's start with the money. So we click on money. Then we scroll down. You see that all of these things that you have, like dates, they are products, but you won't see them until you click on each of them. So when we click on this first one, let's click on it. You see the details of that product. So you see product name. Product name is how to set up a high converting $5,000 sales funnel in 1 weekend. With these, your sales. So that's the product name, all right? Then I think the other part is the short description about what the product is about. So you have the price to $100, and then you have the percentage of the commission you would get when you eventually make a sale. That's 40%. So when you want to promote this one, you just click on view resources. If you see this is where you click on view resources. You click on view resources, then it would show you different things that are available. So if there is a banner for this, you would see it. You see that there is a particular banner for this. So there is not all courses that has banners, right? So you see there are banners, landing pages, social media, videos, email swipes, direct links, HTML links, and webinars. So these are things that if you have them under this course, you can be able to use it to promote the course. So this particular one, we have a banner here. So all you need to do is to click on the download to download this particular banner to use it to promote that course, right? You go ahead and click on download. So when you click on download, it will immediately download on your and save straight to your phone. Okay, so let's go back. But let's just go straight to when you want to promote it. You click on direct link. This is direct links here, not the HTML link. So it is direct link that you send to people, or you add to, whether you want to run ads for it, you add to your link, maybe as your redirection link, and then they go there, click on the link, and buy the course. All right, so that's how it is done. So when you click on direct link, it will show you the link. All you need to do is to copy the link. Okay, you copy the link, and that's all. So it is this link that you've copied, you now send to whoever wants to buy it, or you add it to the copy, or whatever it is, however you want to advertise it for people to purchase it. Okay, so that's how it is done. Now let's go back to other categories. This is just one of the ones on the money category. So let's go to digital products. Okay, let's go to digital products. Scroll down, you see there are several of them. You click on, let's choose another one. Let's click on this. You see the name of this product is the best version of you, and the price is $25. Then the commission for you is $50. So like I mentioned, you want to copy the link, you just click on view resources, go to what's it called, direct links. Then it would show direct links to show you the link that you need. Let's go back again to different, another category, photography and cinematography. I think there is not yet. Okay, let me check. Okay, there's none. Like I mentioned, I think there's no product here for promotion. Let's go to graphics design. There is. So here we have the product name here. Design like a pro with your smartphone. So when you click on this, so this is where you click on. Let me show you where you click on this. All right. So that's where you click on. You click on it, and then you see the price, $10, commission 30%, action, and view resources for you to now copy the link. So let's go back to another category, personal development. Let's see if there's something there. So, oh yes, there's one. And the product name is Becoming the Writer of Our Dreams, a course in creative writing. So you just click on it and view resources, and that's how to promote. So I hope that you've been able to find out products that are available. There are so many more. These are just examples. I had to show you how to do that. All right. Thank you for watching.